In last class we are discussing about how to find a solution of an equation. One method we are already discussing, trial and error method. The second one, same operation both sides on an equation. That means we are separating the variable, then you are finding the answer. So how to separate? First question, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is the variable and minus 1 is the numerator. So here is the operation is subtraction. So we are adding plus 1 both the sides. That is x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. That is x minus 1 and plus 1 equal to 0 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is the solution. Next one, y plus 4 is equal to 4. So here it is the operation is positive or addition. That means y plus 4 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4 minus 4. It is also 0. So y is equal to 0. Next question. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Here it is also an subtraction. We are taking y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 7 plus 4 minus 3. Next question. P by 7 is equal to 4. So here it is division. So we are taking the multiplication here. So 7 into P by 7 is equal to 7 into 4. We want to take both the side in same operation. So 7 by 7, that is cutted. So P is there. P is equal to 7 4s are 28. Next fifth one, 20p by 3 is equal to 40. 20p by 3 is equal to 40. 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is a fraction form. We are taking reciprocal of this fraction, that is multiply 3 by 20. 3 by 20 equal to 14 into 3 by 20. That is 20, 20 cutted, 3, 3 cutted. Remaining P is equal to 40 and 20. What is the answer? 1, 2 is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 3. That is equal to, P is equal to 6. Sixth one, Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here variable is set, the quotient is 1 by 3. So we are taking, here it is division, we are taking multiplication. 3 into Z by 3 is equal to 3 into 5 by 4. That is equal to 3 and 3 cutted. Z is equal to 15 by 4. Seventh one, 3s is equal to minus 9. So here it is multiplication. So we are taking division. 3s into 1 by 3 is equal to minus 9 into 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 and 3 cutted. S is remaining is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is equal to 3. Minus 3 into 1. That is S is equal to minus 3. Eighth one. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Here two operations are there. Here one is addition and another one is multiplication. So first we are separating this term and this variable term. So first is separating. Here it is addition, so we are taking subtraction. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 6. So plus 6 and minus 6 will become 0, which implies 2q is equal to 0 minus 6, that is minus 6. Then again 2q. 2 is the multiplication. So we are taking division. 2q by 2 is equal to minus 6 by 2. That implies 2 cutted q is equal to 1 2 is equal to 1. 3 2s are 6. That is minus